Welcome to beautiful Zanzibar Island off the coast of Tanzania. This might be your choice for a beach escape after your amazing safari experience in Tanzania or even Kenya. Zanzibar is a very popular place to enjoy a beach escape because it has such a wide variety of activities, beautiful beaches, also has some amazing cultural activities as well. You might want to go kite surfing, scuba diving, snorkeling, or you want to do historical Stone Town. Zanzibar has just about everything for all preferences when it comes to a beach stay after your safari. We'll take you on a little tour and show you some of the highlights of this beautiful island. Welcome to Stone Town. This is probably on your list of visits when you visit Zanzibar. This is an historic center in Zanzibar. The island of Zanzibar was under the rule of the Omani Sultan all the way up till 1964. And it was the center of the slave trade and the spice trade. And so this little walking tour of Stone Town is truly historic and will give you an appreciation for the history that it offers. And this is the palace of the Sultan when he ruled this island. This was the first stone building built on the island of Zanzibar. It was built in the 1400s by the Portuguese, and there was a war, and then afterwards it was shortly rebuilt.